Bro, I don't even look at
Spot's probably better.
just.
Let's put it on sport.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, dude. Oh my goodness.
It's insane.
It doesn't even know what to do. It's got so much power.
Oh
dude.
no, it can't. It's got no traction, man.
Oh my gosh.
So that's the hardest I've done it because it just got broken in. So,
oh my god.
literally, I'm like myself right now. I haven't done that yet. So you're the first one.
Well, it felt amazing.
Oh my
dude.
god, that was insane.
Dude, you can smell it.
Yeah.
You lit it up, dude.
Yeah, you smell the rubber, huh? Sweet baby Jesus. Oh, I'll make you turn down here.
Wow.
Sweet baby Jesus, dude. That thing spun for a long time.
We had no traction. We were just cruising.
Yeah, that was crazy. So I haven't done that yet, dude. I've stomped on it, but
damn,
dude. I want to show off a little bit, but
you're still kind of learning the power of it, right?
Yeah,
there's a lot here, dude.
And it's frightening because but that, dude, I had to let off. We were gonna go into the houses.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit, that's freaking crazy, dude.
Woo.
Yeah, I haven't experienced that level of.
Dude, we were totally. You probably see me frightened.
So, if there's no cops behind us, then we can.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I've never done that either, dude.
You can't tell.
The whole ass swung
The whole
around.
thing.
Like on TV.
Woo!
That was on Fast and the freaking Furious, dude.
But it felt like you had control.
I did.
I wasn't scared.
At the end, I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Dude.
I guess I should maybe let off
Bro,
before
all you
we're
had
in
to
the...
do. That's how you turn around. You just floor.
That's a new way of doing U-turns, man. Holy shit, that's crazy.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is crazy. So I haven't done any of that, dude. No, that's nuts, dude. Holy balls. Yeah, dude, I'm like...
Well, thanks. I'm glad we broke that in. That was great.
That was fun, man.
For the victory lap, though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to go get an estimate and find out how much it's going to cost to add that RGBW halo lights and the demon eyes to my 2020 Hellcat Redeye. I know this is going to trigger some of you. You're going to think, why are you going to do that? It's a trashy addition to the car. It's not. Don't do it. Spend your money on other things. But I love this. I love lights. I love electronic crap. I'm a total nerd. If it's Bluetooth, I want to have it in my house and in my car. So these lights seem like they'd be really cool to have, and despite the cost, which is what I understand is going to be a little expensive because of the process to put them on, I just think they'll look cool. And if I do it right, it'll be done classy, and I'll use them only when it makes sense to use them. So I'm sitting in the Cars and Coffee, I'll throw the red demon eyes on, and when it's parked in a valet or something, I'll throw the little red demon lights on, let it sit there. It'll look cool. So come along with me, go along with this. I get it. Yes, I'm still considering. A lot of you suggested adding the Borla Attack exhaust. I'm definitely thinking about that. I'm shopping it. I'm looking into that. I'll probably go to the OC Muffler guy again, and OC Muffler man, and see what it's going to cost to put it on there, even though I do love how it sounds right now. Seemed like that was, I don't know, maybe it's just the cost that I spent to remove the mid mufflers. It seems like I could do even better if I threw a little bit more money into it to do it right. So I'm considering that. So come along with me in this whole process and endeavor, and let's see if this is something I'm going to end up doing. Now I want you to read those. Read what it says.
Warning: Dodge Challenger Hellcat rules. Failure to comply with these vehicle rules will result in walking home. Shut the hell up and hold on. No, only I can drive. Don't backseat drive. Keep watch for cops. No adjusting my settings. No getting sick. No crying about car size. And no stating traffic laws.
What do you think of that? Okay, hold it.
Sorry.
And then we're out of here. This one goes goes here, and then we're done. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Are they leaving?
I don't know.
Or are you just going over there to hang?
No, we're supposed to be at ties by 6.
Oh, well, let's get out of here. Why are you holding things up, man? Why are you taking your time? I'm just kidding. Your face was perfect. I wish it would have been on. Oh my gosh.
It is on camera.
Oh, shit. Yeah, man. That's the rules when you get a Hellcat. You don't get to mess with my radio. You don't get to mess with my car. You don't get to complain about stuff. You don't get to tell me about the traffic laws. What else does it say? You don't get to do all that stuff.
Says to shut up and hold on.
Hold on. Right? Reach up. See that thing right there? You know what they call that?
It's a handle.
What do they call it though?
It's like a handle thing.
Is there a name they call it?
I don't know, most likely.
It's called the O blank handle. There's a special word that goes in there until you're 37. You don't get to know that word. You don't even think that word. Don't even think that word. Or I'll put you on restriction. So if I'm speeding, going really fast, and you get scared, you go, oh! What would you say? You better not say it. You better not say it. I'll put you up for adoption. You get it? You got it. So they're called that handles. O blank handles. But we don't say that until you're like in your 30s, right?
30s?
Yeah.
I'll be moved out by then, hopefully. No, I will be. I'm moving out as soon as I can.
Right? Why? Because we're crazy?
No, just I don't want to live with you guys for that long.
Yeah, you want to go do your own thing, right?
Yeah, I'm not being stuck with y'all my whole life.
No.
That would suck and I would die.
Because we're crazy, right?
Well, not just that, just you're my parents.
I know, huh?
Who would want to be stuck with their parents for their whole life? No offense, like I'm happy your life, obviously.
Oh, I know.
But like...
I love my parents, but if I lived with them, I would literally be in a rubber room.
Exactly.
All right, say bye, everybody.
Bye. Hit that like, smash that subscribe button in the face, and ring the bell for further posted notifications of his new posted videos, because they're pretty cool. He talks a lot, but they're pretty cool because of his car.
I love you, man.
So go sub.
You're awesome. I think we're going to keep you.
I hope.
All right, folks, so I'm at Car Stereo Warehouse in Anaheim, and I hear these guys are great. They do great work. I saw Lonzo Ball's Demon here about 2 years ago, so I figure if they can work on Lonzo Ball's Demon, they could work on my Hellcat Redeye. So I'm going to get some pricing on doing the halo lights, and I told them, give me ideas on what we could do every couple weeks, every month, whatever, to make this car really special without going over the top and making it look goofy and destroying it, because I've seen that happen when just too much stuff is done to the car. But I think these guys will hopefully give me some great ideas and do some good work. Let's see what they offer in pricing. I might not be able to film in there because they got music playing and I'll get copyrighted, but let's try at least.
Yeah. Let's go take a look at the car. Come with me this way. It's gonna be famous. Ricky Martinez.
What's up, Ricky?
Nice to meet you.
How's it going?
We want to do. This is like a Demon. We want to do the halo that changes color. Okay. And at one point he wants to do this that changes that lights up.
You guys ever seen anybody do that before?
No, but we could. It's not that hard.
That's easy.
Yeah.
This is easier than that.
There's a bunch of ways to do it. One way to do it is to have that cut in acrylic.
Yeah.
So you grab that same emblem and you have it cut. I can have somebody cut it in acrylic, and you literally mount that emblem back on acrylic, but you light it. You backlight the acrylic. So
That would be awesome.
what you get is the effect that it's all glowing.
That's cool.
So in essence, that's what everybody.
Yeah.
Nobody's
I love
done
that,
it because I think it would be expensive. But hey, you got the
Figure it
money.
out.
We got the time. You could always overcut
Yeah, I have
it.
more money than brains, so
Yeah,
I
you
just...
could overcut it. You don't have to cut all the intricacies, but you can go
Yeah.
out the outer shell of it. You know.
Right. No, that
And
would
just
be
glow that. Then the emblem will pop.
How fun would that be? But then I saw some people do red. Just a little hint of red in there.
LED, you can do
You can do the Night Rider.
Yeah, just a little glow. But mainly, I think the headlights. That's something I've always wanted to do. I just know it's a.
These are color shift. Do you want
Yeah, that's what he wants. He wants to
multicolor?
He wants multicolor on the phone.
Yeah, this is not it. This is not multicolor. This is just regular two colors.
Okay.
Yeah, but we can get it.
How long you need the car for when you guys do it?
We needed a day, a solid day. So if you drop it off the night before,
like 3 days.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
solid day. If it's during the week, solid
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
Weekend, yeah.
I don't drive it every day, so you guys can have it. And then the only thing making me want it back is just excitement, so I can live without it.
The rings.
Yeah.
The rings multicolor and then the Demon Eye multicolor, and run them separately. And the idea of that is if you have the rings off, you can run this green so the eyes look green or red. It looks neat. It looks mean when it's driving. You'll see green eyes at night.
Yeah.
You run your parking lights and only the green eyes. It looks,
That'd be
it looks really nice.
That'd be awesome.
It makes it look mean. Versus if you connect them together, you can't tell the difference between the colors.
Okay, so you mount the lights.
So the rings go in, and then but the wiring goes separate for the Demon Eye itself.
Oh, yeah.
So they both have 2 controllers.
Oh, cool.
Or a lot of times, guys, what they'll do, will just wire it to red. So they have a switch to turn it on red only.
Yeah.
So at night they're red.
That's
so the car
awesome.
looks angry.
Or is it?
This, the Demon Eye, and the phone thing.
He wants to control by Bluetooth, right?
Oh yeah, bro, I want the best of the best. Give me everything. Here.
All right, go for it. Oh, it's on. That is awesome. Where the hell did you put that thing?
Here, let me show you the video. Bring you a video.
That's nuts. Oh, you put them back here? Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Those are massive. Oh, wait a minute. Look underneath there. Look how big those things are. That's great, dude. I put air horns on my Prius.
Oh, you did?
That's hilarious. Yeah. How much? What do I give you now for the parts?
Whatever
or
you
something
want.
like that? All right. All right, folks. So Tony hooked us up with the halo lights and the Demon Eye for the Hellcat Redeye. We're going to get it done on the 17th of February because I am just booked solid between now and then. Won't be able to bring the car in. They're ordering all the parts. It's going to be a couple grand to get this thing done. So just know it's, you know, it's not cheap to do this. I know there's companies out there that'll do it cheaper, and I know some of you are going to comment, I got it done for less. I am not taking a chance. Lonzo Ball had his Demon done here, so the bottom line is I'm going to bring my Hellcat Redeye here. It just makes sense. When you spend 90 grand on a car, you're not going to go cheap out on stuff like this. These guys have experience doing these cars. I've watched videos. You're going to take the whole front cap off of this thing, take apart the headlights. It's a nightmare to do. It's going to take them a couple of days. I will get it on film, and we'll make sure you guys get to follow along to see how that looks. And then they're going to also do some other work after that, but we'll talk about the plans later once I get the schedule in place. So thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye. And say hi to Tony.
Hello.
Thanks, dude. All right, brother. See you, man. All right, so these arrived, so let's see how they look. All right, so right now I have the red Hellcat heads. So let's see how the new ones look.
So are you swapping them out or adding something?
Yeah, I'm swapping them out.
Okay.
With my soldering iron.
Would you stop it about the solder iron? That's so silly.
These are huge.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
With the red eye.
Yeah, move your hat. It's really hard to see the red eye.
In the camera.
Yeah.
We can see it.
That is so cool. I like the white too. Pop it out. Ah! Oh God!
Just
what?
kidding.
You're so dumb. I'm gonna shove this thing in your frickin' balls. Why are you so dumb?
You got freaked out.
Yeah, because I thought, oh my God. I'm trying to be nice and film it, and you scream.
What the hell did I do? I
Like
just
a
put
girl. Put the same one back in.
I'm an idiot.
What was that? You're a what?
I'm a brilliant genius.
Yeah.
So what the hell am I? Where's the other thing, man?
I don't know. I'm just a filmer.
Oh, here it is. Yeah, I should try putting the new one in, huh?
It's so dark. We should have gotten a... It's the right way.
It is?
Yeah. It's facing in. Yeah.
Cool.
And... You're so silly. There we go. Another red eye. How cool is that? I'm not even really into these cars, but That's awesome.
Yeah, that's cool.
That was like a friggin' beast.
That's
Only people that know what a red eye is will notice
see the
the
eye
eye.
is red. That's awesome. Very cool. Can you put the screwdriver back in the where the screwdrivers go?
Yes, I can.
It's the box labeled screwdrivers.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because I'm always forgetting where to put stuff back.
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
Huge problem I've been meaning to talk to you about. Do it.
I'm driving around, I have license plates, and I have this paper on my bumper.
Yep.
And I want to put my Duke Blue Devils thing on because it's basketball season. Oh God, don't film me in this light.